Nami. Bienvenue, you, me and friends. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, you, me and friends. I hope you are learning vocabulary from my videos, and today we will learn body parts. And in this video, I have taken main body parts and we will take sub body parts of each main body parts in parts so that you will learn easily and you will have bunch of vocabulary. So let's start. Head, la tête. Repeat after me. Concentrate on the spelling and pronunciation. Head, la tête. Head, la tête. La tête. La tête. Face, la visage. Face, la visage. Face, la visage. Okay. Whenever you will see face in front of mirror, so just say la visage. Okay. Neck, le cou. Neck, le cou. Le cou. It's cuckoo. Le cou. Repeat after me. Neck, le cou. Hand. Hand, la main. It's la main. Hand, la main. Then back or spine is le dos. Le dos. Le dos. Le dos. Leg, la jambe. Leg, la jambe. Pronunciation, la jambe. Leg, la jambe. And last but not the least, feet. Feet, les pieds. Les pieds. Les pieds. Because it's a plural, so we will say les pieds. Les pieds. So that's it for today. How do you practice this? This is very funny way. Just stand in front of mirror and just say la tête, la visage, etc, 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 and you will learn it. It is very funny and it is very easy. So I hope you will do that. Whatever you will have any comments or doubts, just paste it in a comment box and like, subscribe and hit the bell icon and share my channel too. Till next video, bye bye, take care, au revoir.